Hey everyone! I am gonna do an update to my middle daughter's room. She has been having a terrible time just keeping everything organized. When we separated my two girls from sharing a room, she moved into this room which is a little bit smaller than where my youngest daughter is because of all the toys. So she still has a lot of stuff, but she has a smaller room, and I recently bought a cube shelf to try to help her be a little bit more organized. So all I'm really gonna do is clean up a little bit and move the bed so that there's a little bit extra floor space. And then I'm gonna utilize that new cube shelf as a nightstand and also additional organization. So first thing I have to do is clean up the kitchen a little bit. I'm gonna run the vacuum in all of the bedrooms and then we'll get started. I'm excited to get started. My daughter has actually been home from school and left again, so I have a little bit of time to sort of clean up in here and start the organization process. Of course, I don't want to organize all of her stuff for her because I want it to work for her, but I can kind of help get the mess under control. So go ahead and get started. She has given me the okay to move the bed. So you can see the bed here. I'm actually going to move it so that the headboard is up against there and the foot will come out this way. So that will free up a lot of the carpet space so that she has room to work, and with school starting, that works well. I remember just sprawling out all over the place whenever I was younger with homework and books and notebooks and everything. So I'm excited to create that space for her. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. feel like I am seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. I bought my daughter for her birthday some picture frames for her playbills, and I got those all ready for her. So I'm getting ready to hang those on the wall. I think I'll hang them just along the side of the window here, and then hopefully just clear everything out that is not going to belong in here anymore and show you the finished product. So I'm just gonna finish up. I would have had a better before picture of these shelves. They tend to catch a lot of clutter. So hopefully by sort of rehoming some things and getting rid of just some trash, she'll feel better about that. And I think this bin right here is empty and the shelf below it is empty, so it gives her bedroom a little bit of breathing room. And then I've got her playbills all hung up. She'll be excited about that. And I just switched her bed around and got her shelves all ready to go. And so I moved her books over to clear some space on the other shelves that I just showed you, and got everything hopefully easily accessible. She's gonna love it. Thanks for coming along and doing this with me. Hope you found some motivation. Maybe you found something that you think might work in your children's bedroom or a room in your home. As always, if you're here watching, leave a comment. Let me know if you saw something you liked, or just let me know that you were here. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Even hit that bell button so that you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.